Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Sarasota Springs local and long distance movers near me. When you relocate your belongings over a distance of 50 miles or more, you're moving long distance. We will help you relocate your goods interstate, locally, and intrastate. All local and federal officials engaged in the relocation process have strong working relationships with us. We have insurance plans to cover any potential risks that may arise during and after the move. Our dedicated movers and drivers will transport your items fast and safely. You won't have to worry about being taken advantage of because all of our services are pocket-friendly. Local moving is less expensive than long-distance relocation, and our company is no exception. Our rates are the most competitive, ranging from $30 to $40 per hour. If you choose our services, you will get your money's worth from our qualified and professional movers. We've dealt with crowded cities and areas before, so you don't have to worry about your items being lost or ruined. Our local professional movers are committed to assisting you in making the most efficient moving decisions possible. If you need more proof, ask one of our happy clients in your area, and you'll get nothing but good responses. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sarasota Springs moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.